Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to be making egusi and okra soup. This soup is packed full with natural ingredients that you're going to love. So sit tight and watch this video till the end. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. So please, as you watch, remember to like, comment and share. All the ingredients will be listed out in the description, and in case you have any question, please do not fail to drop that in the comments. So now let's get started. Happy viewing. So over here I have some pieces of cow leg. I've just added blended peppers and onion, seasoning powder and salt, and some water. I'm going to cover that now to cook until it's tender. While that is cooking, I will go ahead to smoke the mackerel fish. So while waiting for the mackerel fish to get ready and for our cow leg to get softened, I'll go ahead now to clean up all the dirt from the egusi. Now I'm done doing that, I'm going to blend it smoothly in my blender. This is onion. I added some water to blend it smoothly. I'm going to add the onion into the egusi and mix it up very well to form a paste. This will help to bind the egusi together to make it have that egg-like texture. This also gives your egusi a very good taste. You can add in little salt or little seasoning if you want. At this point, the cow leg is ready, the mackerel fish is ready. I'm going to combine both together, and I also added some roasted chicken. I added some seasoning powder. I will be adding some crayfish after blending it as well. I also added some palm oil for that vibrant look and yummy taste. I will now cover and allow it come to a boil. See how vibrant it's looking already. Now it's time to scoop in the egusi we earlier mixed with the blended onion. At this point, you don't have to stir it. All I will do is just to cover it up and allow it cook for a while. So while that is cooking, I will go ahead now to cut the okra. I'll also be adding some spinach. I'm just going to cut that into smaller bits. You can as well add ugu or uziza leaf. We are almost getting there. The soup is almost done. Now I'm adding in the okra. I'm going to leave it for like 2-3 minutes to get cooked, not overcooked, before adding in the spinach finally. So now tell me, where are you watching from? So far, do you like this recipe? Have you tried it before? Is this your first time coming across this recipe? Are you going to be trying it? Please let me know in the comments if you're going to be trying it, or if you have tried it before, let's know in the comments how it is, okay? I want you to try it if you have not, because this soup came out so delicious. It's so nice, you know, so nice. You can serve it with any swallow of your choice, and you can use any protein of your choice to cook this soup. Any vegetable will also go. You know, the only main ingredients in this soup is the egusi and the okra. So I am so happy that you have watched this video up to this point. Please remember to like, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so for more recipes like this to come your way. Remember to turn on your notification so that each time we upload a video, you will get notified, okay? So the soup is done. As you can see, it is ready. Super ready. So now we are going to move on to the next level, and that is testing the soup with semo. I paired mine with semo. You can pair it with any swallow, just like I've said earlier. This is me making my semo that I'm going to pair the soup with. And here we go, guys. It is ready for consumption. Take a look at this. Lovely. Isn't that looking so good? Isn't that looking so yummy? In fact, come and join me wherever you are. Come and join me. Come and take your seat. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Hoping to see you again in my next one. Bye for now.